Hello friends, Dilip Dauda here once again in front of you. We are going to discuss about the BSE SME IPO which is opening on 16th of November and closing on 22nd of November. This is from the company called Omnipotent Industries Limited, which is engaged in the bitumen related products. The company's financials are not convincing as far as the top and bottom lines are concerned, and in particular the high margins it has realized in the fiscal FY21 and the current fiscal first 4 months working. I think there appears to be some kind of window dressing before the IPO period to lure the investors for its fancy IPO. The company is coming out with 30 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a price of rupees 63 per share and mobilizing around 18.9 crore from the market. But here the major concerns are the segment in which it is operating, because if we see bitumen is highly common material, and it is having a fragmented segment, as well as there are so many local players in this market. So company is in a very highly competitive field of business. Secondly, the dilution by this issue is to the tune of almost 50%, so that also is a matter of concern. And the most concern is about the sustainability of the margin which company has shown, because normally we are seeing SME IPOs, they always jack up their top and bottom line in the pre-IPO periods to attract the investors for their offerings. My detailed review for this company is available on chittorgarh.com, which you can go through. But from my side, though this IPO is priced at 63 rupees per share, appears attractively priced at around 13 PE. But as I said, sustainability of profit, because last 16 months profit performance only, this company has opted for this kind of pricing. But if we consider its FY20 or FY19 results, then this pricing can go to the tune of about 25 plus PE. So I am not very convinced about its financial result. Secondly, the dilution, which is almost about 50% dilution is taking place in the company. So that also not auguring well. And thirdly, as I said, this is the highly fragmented and highly competitive segment. So I don't think company will be in a position to sustain its margins going forward. So I'm not keen to recommend this IPO for subscription. But anyhow, if you want to invest in this IPO, because its P is hardly around 13, you might get attracted. But I would request you to consult your financial advisor before doing any concrete decision for investment in this IPO, because money is yours and you have to take the final call. From my side, I am not very keen to recommend this IPO. Thank you.